The farmer's walk. Often seen in strongman competitions, this exercise is a powerhouse movement with benefits beyond aesthetics. Athletes, professionals, and beginners can all benefit from it. It mimics daily movements like carrying groceries or moving furniture, but adds resistance for strength and stability gains. This essay explores the farmer's walk's benefits and why it deserves a place in your fitness routine. We'll highlight research on its impact on muscle growth, strength, and functional fitness. Discover how this simple exercise can transform your physique and improve your everyday life. The farmer's walk is more than a test of strength. It's a gateway to unlocking your full physical potential. The farmer's walk builds raw, functional strength. It engages multiple muscle groups, translating to real-world strength. Research confirms its effectiveness in developing strength and coordination. By holding weights and walking, you're performing a moving plank, engaging your core and stabilizing your spine. This builds muscle and enhances neuromuscular coordination, improving movement patterns and balance. Whether you're an athlete or a fitness enthusiast, the farmer's walk helps you achieve your goals. It's a fundamental exercise that relies on natural movement patterns for real-world functionality. The farmer's walk is a staple in strongman training, but its benefits extend beyond competitive sports. It's a versatile exercise suitable for all fitness levels. Beginners can start with lighter weights, while experienced individuals can increase the challenge. It requires minimal equipment and can be performed anywhere. This accessibility makes it an ideal addition to any fitness program. Whether your goal is to build muscle, increase strength, or improve athletic performance, the farmer's walk is effective. It proves that functional training can build a strong and capable physique. The farmer's walk emphasizes functional strength, not just aesthetics. It engages multiple muscle groups, mimicking daily movements. This functional training develops well-rounded strength for real-world activities. It also offers a mental challenge, requiring focus and determination. This mental aspect builds resilience and body awareness. The farmer's walk develops a body that is strong, resilient, and adaptable. By embracing this exercise, you're unlocking your full potential, both physically and mentally. The farmer's walk is a lower body workout in disguise. It engages quads and hamstrings with every step, building powerful legs. Research shows significant muscle activation in these areas. This translates to explosive sprints, hill climbs, and powerful jumps. The exercise also engages calves and glutes, crucial for stability and balance. Strong calves and glutes improve posture and reduce lower back pain. The farmer's walk builds functional legs ready for any challenge. The farmer's walk builds a foundation of strength and stability. Strong legs support the body and generate power in all movements. The exercise effectively engages quads and hamstrings. This strengthens muscles for everyday activities like walking and running. It also targets hamstrings, reducing the risk of imbalances and injuries. The farmer's walk creates balanced lower body strength, promoting optimal movement patterns and enhanced athleticism. The farmer's walk develops functional strength for real-world power and stability. It strengthens calves and glutes, crucial for explosive movements. Strong calves enhance jumping and sprinting ability. Engaged glutes generate power for running and squatting. The exercise also enhances stability through core and leg engagement. This holistic approach transforms your body into a well-oiled machine, capable of generating power and maintaining control. The farmer's walk is a dynamic core workout. It engages the entire core, including deep muscles for spinal stability. This builds a rock-solid midsection and reduces the risk of injuries. The exercise strengthens the transverse abdominis, obliques, and erector spinae. A strong core supports the body and improves posture. The farmer's walk builds core strength and endurance, enhancing athletic performance and reducing injury risk. Deep core strength is crucial for spinal health and stability. The farmer's walk engages deep core muscles, promoting spinal stability. It strengthens the transverse abdominis, reducing lower back pain. The exercise also engages obliques for rotational stability. Strong obliques prevent injuries during activities involving twisting. The farmer's walk strengthens the erector spinae, improving posture and promoting a healthy back. In today's technology-driven world, many of us spend countless hours hunched over computers, phones, and desks, leading to poor posture and a weakened core. The farmer's walk strengthens the muscles responsible for maintaining an upright posture, offering a powerful antidote to modern life's postural pitfalls. By incorporating this exercise, you're not just building a stronger core, you're retraining your body to stand tall and move with confidence. Good posture is a reflection of a strong and healthy body, capable of moving with ease and grace. The farmer's walk helps you achieve this ideal posture, improving your physical presence and boosting your self-assurance. While the farmer's walk's impact on the lower body and core is undeniable, its benefits extend far beyond these muscle groups. This exercise is a true full-body challenge, engaging the upper body in ways that traditional isolation exercises often miss. Forget about those isolated bicep curls or tricep extensions. The farmer's walk targets multiple upper body muscles simultaneously, building functional strength that translates to real-world movements and enhanced athletic performance. As you grip the weights and maintain an upright posture, your deltoids, traps and rhomboids are all firing to stabilize the weight, control movement, and prevent your shoulders from rounding forward. This constant isometric contraction strengthens these muscles, leading to improved posture, increased shoulder stability, and a more balanced physique. Imagine the feeling of effortlessly carrying heavy grocery bags, playing with your kids without fatigue, or simply maintaining good posture throughout the day without conscious effort. These are all benefits of a strong upper back and shoulders, muscles that are often neglected in traditional fitness routines, but heavily emphasized in the farmer's walk. Furthermore, the farmer's walk promotes balanced muscle development, addressing the common issue of overdeveloped front body muscles and underdeveloped back muscles. By strengthening the posterior chain, the farmer's walk helps counteract this imbalance, promoting better posture, reducing the risk of shoulder injuries, and enhancing overall athleticism. In a world dominated by buttons, touchscreens, and automated devices, grip strength is often taken for granted. However, this often overlooked aspect of fitness is crucial for a wide range of activities, from carrying groceries and opening jars to performing pull-ups and deadlifts. The farmer's walk is a powerful tool for developing a vice-like grip, enhancing athletic performance and reducing injury risk. Every second you're holding those weights, your forearms and hand muscles build endurance and strength. This grip training goes beyond traditional methods, mimicking real-life activities. The benefits of a strong grip extend far beyond the gym. Studies show grip strength predicts overall strength and even mortality. Individuals with a stronger grip tend to live longer, healthier lives. A strong grip is essential for athletes in sports like rock climbing, gymnastics, and martial arts. Even in everyday life, a strong grip makes tasks easier and more effortless. The farmer's walk enhances your overall functionality, preparing you for life's physical demands. Section 3. From everyday tasks to athletic prowess, the power of a strong upper body. The true beauty of the farmer's walk lies in its ability to bridge the gap between gym exercises and real-life movements. It's not about isolating muscles for aesthetic purposes. It's about building functional strength that translates to everyday tasks, athletic pursuits, and an overall improved quality of life. Imagine the feeling of effortlessly carrying your luggage through the airport, moving furniture without straining your back, or playing with your kids for hours without feeling fatigued. These are all scenarios where a strong upper body, developed through exercises like the farmer's walk, makes a world of difference. Beyond these everyday tasks, the farmer's walk also offers significant benefits for athletes in a wide range of sports. The improved grip strength translates to a more powerful grip on a baseball bat, tennis racket, or golf club. The enhanced shoulder stability leads to more powerful throws, swings, and punches. The increased core strength improves balance and coordination, crucial for sports like basketball, soccer, and football. The farmer's walk is a testament to the fact that functional strength is not just about how much weight you can lift in the gym, it's about how well you can move your body through space, handle unexpected challenges, and perform at your best in all aspects of your life. By incorporating this exercise into your routine, you're not just building a stronger upper body, you're unlocking a level of physical capability that extends far beyond the gym walls, empowering you to move with confidence, strength, and grace in all aspects of your life. The full body integration of the farmer's walk. The farmer's walk is more than just strong legs, a powerful core, or a vice-like grip. It's about the synergy of all these elements, creating full body strength and coordination. This makes the farmer's walk a testament to functional fitness, training your body to move as a cohesive unit. Unlike gym machines that isolate muscles, the farmer's walk requires full body engagement. This leads to improved stability and reduced injury risk. A stable body handles daily challenges better. Section 2. Beyond strength, enhancing real-world performance and resilience. The farmer's walk excels in enhancing real-world performance, building strength, stability, and coordination. Imagine effortlessly carrying groceries, moving furniture, or playing with your kids for hours. The functional strength and endurance built through the farmer's walk shine in these scenarios. It's about having the strength and stamina to keep up with life's demands. The farmer's walk also enhances your ability to handle unexpected challenges. True strength encompasses both physical and mental resilience. Section 1. Embrace the walk, unlock your full potential. The farmer's walk, often relegated to the shadows of more glamorous exercises, emerges as a powerhouse movement, a testament to functional fitness and a gateway to unlocking your true physical potential. It's not about building a physique for show, it's about developing a body that moves with strength, resilience, and grace, equipped to handle the demands of everyday life and athletic pursuits with equal prowess. From igniting your lower body strength and stability to forging a rock-solid core and enhancing upper body power, the farmer's walk is a full-body transformation disguised as a simple walk. It's about harnessing the power of synergy, where multiple muscle groups collaborate in perfect harmony, creating a symphony of motion that translates to real-world functionality and athleticism. But the farmer's walk is more than just a physical challenge. It's a journey of self-discovery, pushing your limits, building mental resilience, and discovering the untapped potential that lies dormant within you. It's about embracing the challenge, refining your technique, and celebrating the incremental victories along the way. So step into the weight room with purpose, grab those weights, and embark on the transformative journey of the farmer's walk. Embrace the simplicity, feel the burn, and witness the profound impact this often underrated exercise can have on your physique, your performance, and your overall quality of life.